So what's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you guys on here. So today I'm going to be presenting to you an amazing tool I wish I had when I was a student. So basically, not to make the story very long, this is a tool which is going to allow you to pretty much answer any possible question you might have in school, So this tool is called Wolfram Alpha, and you can find it at wolframalpha.com. And as you can see, it has a list of all topics from chemistry to engineering to mathematics and all what you can possibly imagine. But what makes this tool amazing is that up here you have an input box, and in this input box you can enter basically any question you have, whether it's in mathematics, physics, chemistry, or whatever you can possibly imagine, and it's going to use its database of information to give you the precise answer to that. So just to show you how powerful this tool is, let's go ahead and check it out. So the first question I ask is, what are the laws of motion from Newton, for example? See, I'll just put that. What are the laws of motion from Newton? So let's see what it does. So as you can see, it gives you detailed information about that. So it first of all starts by giving you information about Isaac Newton, then notable facts, and then you see it kind of lists all those information. So you see, it has not really given me the precise answer I was looking for, but I guess it's because my question wasn't very precise. So let me make that more precise then. What is the first law of motion from Newton? So let's try that out and see if it gets me the correct answer this time around. Okay, I tried to change my prompts because I wasn't entering the right thing. So I went ahead and set Newton's laws of motion. And here you have it, Newton's first law, Newton's second law, and Newton's third law of motion. So I guess it's very important the way you phrase your question for it to get you the answer. So there you have it. You see, it's able to give you the precise information you need, and it gives you some additional information as well. You see, limitations of Newton's laws of motion. So let's go ahead and try another question. This time around, we'll try a mathematics question. Let's go ahead and put this. I'll just put an equation there. I go ahead and press enter, and there you have it. It gives you the precise answer. Not only the precise answer, but equally plots the graph to show you how that works and gives you the answer at the end. You equally have an option to see the step-by-step solution of how it got to this answer, and you can see it right here. I guess you can see it for if you go for the pro version. So but there you have it. You can just see how amazing this tool is. It's able to really answer all the questions you might have in any subject. So let's try a different question. Let's try a different topic and see how that works. So right now I'm lacking inspiration, but let's go ahead and check out some examples here. So okay, if you want calculus, for example, integrals, and then we can see some equations here. Yeah, so you can see that, so you can go through that, but I want to stay simple. Let's go ahead and just ask some simple questions. So let's go ahead and ask a simple physics question. So a train travels 120 kilometers in 2 hours. What is the average speed in kilometer? So let's see if it's able to answer such a question. It was able to answer the question in mathematics, so I'm guessing it's able to interpret this one and answer it as well. So as we can see, it defines first of all travel, I guess, and then it comes here to give us some pronunciation, English, and all the rest. But unfortunately, it's not able to solve this question. So let's go ahead and try to maybe put solve this question. Let's try to see if it does that better. Alright, so word frequency, I guess it's trying to understand it, but in a word perspective, but we want a physics answer. So let's go ahead and come back to the original and see if we can get it to understand that question as a physics question instead. So let's go ahead and check that out. So if we go ahead and look for physics, okay, there you have physics. Yep. Alright, so I have an idea. Why not put physics problem, then go ahead and do that. Alright, so you see now it's interpreting as a physics problem. A train, so a train, the timeline, Archer, but it's not really giving me any answer. So I guess this tool has still some work to be done around here, but I guess the idea is very interesting. You know, you have all these topics here that can help you study, and you can ask questions and basically get it to really interpret it on a whole other level and give you the answer straight away. So definitely check out this tool. I'm sure it's going to provide you with some answers, and definitely I'll be trying to see how it works more and more so that I can give you a much more thorough presentation. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you on the next one.